Science 2200, Meteorology. All right, I'm Dr. John Trudson, and this is a course on meteorology and weather. It's a very non-mathematical course. A couple things about it. This will be primarily online. All right, although the class starts officially on January 11th, 2022, first class will actually be on Tuesday, January 18th at 2 p.m. in S212, 208, I should say. All right, so it's listed as blended class, but my intention to have this class entirely online and be available occasionally for questions if you may have those. Check on the syllabus. As far as the text is concerned, I have all the lectures posted as PowerPoint handouts, and I'll be doing some videos associated with these during the semester. But the main book is called Aaron's. I'll put a link on there, 7th or 8th edition. And I'll put a link. I've used it for quite a long time. It's a very good book as far as that's concerned. So I'm going to go into it a little bit here as far as the format of the class and how we're going to do it, and see where we can go from there. So, all right, the way it's going to work then, there are 14 chapters, of which there will be 19 review quizzes. All right, these are part of the class. Check the syllabus for the exact point. So approximately one for each chapter. Some will have two. There are 4 exams. Lowest dropped. And there will be some web quizzes, web weather quizzes, web weather assignments, and there will be a final exam during the exam time. All right, everything will be submitted using the quiz tool. All right, you submit everything as a quiz. There's nothing else submitted any other way. So everything's used quiz. The assignments, you look it up, access it, but you'll submit everything on the quiz tool as far as that's concerned. All right, so that's how this class is going to work as far as science laboratory. So again, the first class period will be on January 18th. I'll post an announcement about that on the class website. I'll also send an email out to everybody as far as how that's going to work. All right, so short introduction here. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, and again, on January 18th, you're not obligated to come. Again, everything is going to be available online for this semester. So I hope you enjoy it. It fulfills the non-science requirement for Area 3. All right, so have a good day. Have a good break, and see you.